Hello, good day from Sudhanshu Jain. In this video, I will showcase how you can generate an image using ChatGPT. First of all, you will have to go to this URL, that is chatgpt.com. Once you are now on this URL, go on to the image section on the left hand side and then type create an image of sunny day with glass of water. So by writing a prompt something like this, create an image, it should start with the wording create an image and then the explanation of the image that you want to generate. So once you've written the prompt, the image will appear on the bottom side of your prompt within 2 to 3 minutes. So you have to click on the image on the left hand side to generate an image in ChatGPT. Now I will tell you how to generate an HTML page. To generate an HTML page, click new chat. Whenever you have to do a new task, you have to click on new chat. Okay. So once you've clicked on new chat, then type something like create an HTML page for a profile of a marketing company. So generally people ask how does we view the HTML page once the code is rendered over here. What it will do is it provides the preview option on the upper right corner. So let the page be drafted out. You can also edit it within the section by clicking the edit button. Let's say we want to edit the code and make it from 2017 to 2008. Then click on the preview button and here is your active website. Okay, so you can also download it by clicking the stop button and clicking the three dots over here and then download it on your desktop. Well, this is how the website looks like. So I have told you about two things today. One is how to generate a website and how to generate a image in ChatGPT. Right. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.